Good morning, students. Today I will teach you linear equations in two variable for class 10th today. Two variables. Two variables means x, y, a, b, like this. Two variables. And linear equations mean degree is 1. Degree is 1. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is general form of linear equation. In two variables, x, y are variables. X, y are variables. A coefficient or a1 is coefficient of x, b1 is coefficient of y, and c is constant. Similarly, second equation you can write a2x plus b2y plus c1 c2 equal to 0. So number 1 equation and number 2 conditions for solution. Conditions for solution. How many conditions are there? a1 by a2. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, this a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. On graph paper, what you will see, two lines are there linear and they will intersect each other. So in this condition, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then two lines from graph 1 and 2 lines are there, they will intersect each other at this point. This is called unique solution. Means two lines on this graph paper, what you will see, this line 1 and other line 2 will coincide each other. Many solutions are there. Third condition is two lines, graphically what you will say, two lines are parallel to each other. Both are parallel, so therefore no solution. 3.1 question is, see, because of two variables you will take x and y. At present, 7 years ago is equal to, at present x, तो 7 years back this was x minus 7 years, and his daughter's age is equal to y minus 7 years. I was 7 times as old as you were, means x, father says x was 7 times of y. This is number 1. And 3 years from now, also 3 years from now means x plus 3 is equal to, आफ्ताब age is equal to 3 years, आफ्ताब age is equal to, I shall be 3 times as old as 3y plus 3, and this is equal to x plus 3 and 3y plus 9, or x minus 3y is equal to, what is this, 9 minus 3, minus 3y, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So x minus 3y is equal to 6. This is number 2. X and y, at least two values are needed for graph. So y0, x0. Y, if you take y is equal to 1, then x is equal to 7 into 1 is 7. Y is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1. Then this become minus 7. So x equal to minus 7. Then what will happen? 6 minus 3 is 3. X equal to 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and y is equal to 1, means this. This is your first line. and from here you will take second line, x equal to 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and y equal to 0. You will get here, this will be the solution, this point will be the solution. Now exercise 3.2, question number 1. From a pair of linear equation in the following problems, find their solution graphically. First write down equation in two variables x and y, and then by graphically you can solve like this. Come to question number 2. Question number 1. 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, and 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Now see, here this is a1, a1 is equal to 5. This is b1, b1 is equal to minus 4. Take minus 4 because of a standard form is plus b, right? So take this, and c1 is equal to 8, and a2 is equal to 7, b2 is equal to 6, and c2 is equal to minus 9. Here a1 by a2 is equal to what? 5 by 7. b1 by b2 is equal to what? Minus 4 by 6. And c1 by c2 is equal to 8 by minus 9. Here a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 both are not equal. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So therefore here according to question, what is the question here? Intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. So means intersect at a point, intersect each other, means intersect each other. Is it clear? Now similarly you can solve other questions by these all, and on comparing find out. Question number 3 you can solve. Question number 3, on comparing the ratios this find out whether the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Consistent means solutions are possible, inconsistent means solution are not possible. So in this case you will show by a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, either solution is possible or not. You can solve this question also.
Thank you very much. You learned chapter 3, linear equations in two variables. Thank you. Bye. All the best. Stay at home, safe at home. Don't go outside because of lockdown. Okay. All the best. Good luck. Bye. See you.